no disrespect, you're talking, you want all this stuff. I can't remember because when you tell me one thing, you're talking about. But you know the thing, is you're supposed to work and cooperate with us too and
No,
help.
you're supposed to work and cooperate with me. That's your job. You're a public servant. I'm not here to serve you.
Jasmine, how do you spell your name?
Thank you.
I don't have to give you my name.
Yes. on a
No, I
request.
don't. I can make the request anonymously.
So you want the call record on what?
There were two, one made by Barbara Blake and one made by Alan Ketzel, but it's not listed under Alan Ketzel's name. For some reason, there's no information. It's only under BT12. What's BT12?
Barb Blake, call record,
Yeah.
and what was the other?
Well, I don't know. It's only listed under BT12. I know it's Alan Ketzel. It was on the,
BT12?
yeah, I think it was on the 11th when they were having the Christmas parade. I would show it to you, but you took the book away.
Oh, I'll go get it. See, them there, we do not give out because they're not redacted. And by law, before we give out any public records, they have to be redacted.
Those are redacted.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are. There's spots all over them that are blacked out with marker.
But
Then why are they sitting out in public?
for the news, we hand it to the news and they don't take that
Well,
information.
as a citizen, I'm considered the news. Like just because someone works for Channel
Jasmine,
7 doesn't
let's
give
work
them
this
any
out.
more rights
I'm
to a
taking-
public record than.
Let's,
Well, hold on. See, we're saying things that aren't true.
I'm saying that I want to get your information for the public request
Mhm.
and not go out someplace. I want to get what you want,
Okay.
put down,
Okay.
then that will be turned in, and then
Well,
once,
it's a little difficult to tell you exactly who made the call because it's listed. There's no information. Like it just says BT12, which I
Well,
know
I'm-
Alan Ketzel's
well,
the
I'm
one who made
putting,
the call.
I'm putting that down, call records.
And
The one Barb Blake call record and the one that says BT12, correct?
It was on the 11th, and I also want who made that call.
The thing is, and I'm being honest with you, if under the law on the redaction is if the names is not allowed to be given out,
He's
it
a
won't be given out.
firefighter. He's a fire chief.
I don't know who called in or nothing like that, so.
I do.
I'm,
I can tell by what he said in the
Jasmine,
call.
you're saying that hearsay to me. I'm saying,
Okay.
I wanna get the records that you
But why
want.
wouldn't that call be listed like everybody else's call? Why would his
What-
information be
I'm not
redacted?
getting in why not, what
Seems like
if.
a personal favor
No,
from,
I'm
the,
going-
from the sheriff's office to the fire chief who's a bigot.
Do you want to finish?
Yes.
Ask them what you want.
Sure. I
So-
have another question.
And that's all we're doing here. You're telling me what you want. I'm writing it down,
Okay.
and then it's gonna be turned in,
Mhm.
and what we're allowed to give out, it'll be redacted before it's released.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? What else do you need?
Just those two calls.
Okay.
I want a copy of those. Now, I have a question for you. Is it appropriate for your deputies refer to me as it or a thing?
Jasmine, I'm not
I'm
getting in this, I'm
No,
not
no.
getting in this conversation. I am here for
On-
your public records.
Okay, but you're
And
the
that's it.
sheriff.
Because
And as the sheriff, I'm
there
asking
has
you
been
a
a
question.
lot of things going on between here, the sheriff's office, and here to the fire department. I'm not gonna be the middleman
No,
to
I'm
say
asking
what
for
if.
your deputies.
No,
Your
I'm not getting,
deputies.
what I'm saying
No,
is,
no, sheriff, listen. Your deputies called me an it.
and you put records checks in and everything. I'm
No,
not,
It's
I'm
on
not.
video. It's on their body cam.
Okay, then-
But is that appropriate? Are they gonna be
Jasmine, I'm
disciplined
not
for
getting
that?
into debate of that.
All right, I want to file an official complaint.
Okay, what's your complaint now?
Bigotry. Your officers misgendered me,
Mm-hmm.
called me an it, called me a thing. And it's on video.
You have that video?
You have that video, but I have it as well.
Is that one of the requests you asked for? Did you get it?
No, I already have those.
Okay,
That's
then-
part of my,
then-
that was part of the discovery, but
Right.
I want to file a complaint on those officers for referring to me as an it and a thing and for misgendering me because let's face it, you guys know who I am and you know that I'm a transgender girl. You know I and female. So when your deputies consistently say he, him, it, thing, it's dehumanizing, it's upsetting, and it's not right.
Right.
And something needs to be done about this. They can't continue calling me by the wrong gender and referring to me as it. That's just not acceptable. And I don't think anyone can defend that. I don't think anyone can defend a police officer calling a transgender girl it. That's just not defensible. But that's what happened on video. It's in the house.
Belongings, Christopher Bennett.
That's what was said. It's in the house.
Yeah, just go through here.
I don't know the exact names
Is
of the
there anything
officers.
else, Jasmine, you want me put down on records, the new records request? Anything else?
No, but are you going to take that complaint seriously?
I got it here, and as
But, I
of
mean-
right now, I have no documentation that it did happen.
It's on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
You can watch it yourself. It's on your own officer's body cam.
Mhm.
It's on there. The sheriff's office gave me the body cam footage. I have it. I
will look
posted it
into it,
online.
I will look into it and look at the video, and I will go from there.
You'll take it seriously.
I will look at the body cam. I don't know what's on it. I gotta look
But
at
I
the
mean,
body
you'll-
cam.
you will take it
Well,
seriously.
it's my job to take everything seriously.
Okay, because
All right, all right.
it hasn't been taken seriously in the past.
Anything else?
Yeah.
No.
Okay, all right. And like I said, on them call records, this request will be put in from you,
Yeah.
and that it will be turned over
Okay.
to Barb, and it'll be put in.
Here, just so you have a copy of it.
No, I don't need that.
I would-
No, I know what, we refer to our legal advisor.
Please take a I'm asking you politely, please accept this gift.
Okay,
Okay? It's a copy of the open records law. Please review
Yeah,
it
I don't know.
and read it and understand it.
A month.
Jasmine,
or-
before we release any public records, I'm not an
Okay,
attorney.
I'm sorry.
We have our legal advisors look at it and review it. They advise us what to release.
But there
I
are
don't release
certain
anything.
records that can be,
That's, but
every record request doesn't have to go through the city's attorney.
that's what my policy is, what we do. We wanna make sure we do it
And,
right.
and Barbara Blake is using the excuse that Kevin Flanagan said, don't give Jasmine.
I'm not
any
getting in this. Your request is in, the 22 requests. They are being reviewed of what's gonna be released and stuff by our legal advisor. Once that is done, you will get it in writing, the answers or the responses, okay, on that.
So was Barbara Blake's complaint turned over to the prosecutor's office? Are you planning on trying to prosecute me for harassment for requesting public records?
Jasmine, we're not going in there.
One,
They-
she called and filed a complaint for harassment because I was trying to get public records. So am I gonna be arrested for,
The only thing is, Jasmine, what we're asking is, you gotta be reasonable and not repeatedly call.
I will be back
That's my-
tomorrow for those
well,
records.
Well, we will give you the records once we are advised to
I will
release
be
you.
here every day.
And if they're not down tomorrow, you won't get them tomorrow.
Then that's fine. I will be here every single
Then that's
day,
fine.
making
That's-
public records
that's-
requests.
then that's
And
fine.
it will be I will
And if
have a
they're-
different request every single day.
Okay.
I will request salaries, working hours. There's a
Jasmine,
whole ton of individual requests I can make, but I will make a request every day until you guys start honoring the law.
Is that
Because
it?
that is my right.
Is that it?
That is it.
All right, thank you, Jasmine.
You have a good day,
All right.
Deputy Sheriff.
It accidentally stopped and I restarted it.
Okay.